Good morning traders and welcome to NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. Today we will be analyzing a variety of instruments on different asset classes. Our first instrument is the DAX index. As we can observe on the DAX 4-hour chart, we can see a break of an uptrend trend line. Price has continued its downward movement only to make a bottom at the 12,100 price area. Since then, price has corrected to the upside and has found resistance on the 12,640 price level. This area can be considered as a strong resistance as it consists of a retest of the uptrend trend line, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, the 200 moving average, as well as an inside resistance level. Price has reacted at this level and we believe it will continue its downward movement to approximately the 12,350 or even a retest of the bottom at the 12,100 price area. Our second instrument is the crypto IOTA. Cryptos have continued their downward movement, so has IOTA. And as we can observe on the IOTA 1-hour chart, we can see a break of a major support level at the 0.98 area. Since then, price has been consolidating and we believe it will most likely continue its sideways movement, or a retest is possible with further downward movement in the horizon to approximately the 0.90 area. This congestion can also be observed with the squeeze of the Bollinger Bands. The further downward movement can also be supported with a bearish momentum on the RSI indicator. Our third instrument is the dollar yen. As we can see on the dollar yen 1-hour chart, we can see a burst and a volatile upward movement with the top being formed at the 111.35 area. Since then, price has corrected to the downside and found support at the 110.80 area. This area has acted as great support as it consists of an inside support level and the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. We believe dollar yen will continue its downward movement in order to retest this area for a second time, where we might observe a bounce in order to retest the 111.35 area. There is also a possibility that we might see a false breakout and dollar yen moving to approximately the 110.60, but overall we believe upward movement is possible. Our fourth instrument is the euro versus the Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc made a top at the 120 3 or 4 months ago. Since then, it has bounced vigorously to the downside and made a bottom at the 115.50 area. Since then, we can see a steady uptrend, but currently, as we speak, we can observe a break of an uptrend trend line. We believe this is a valid break as it's also supported with the MACD. We can also observe a bearish divergence on the MACD, and currently in a strong momentum is observed with the MACD oscillator supporting the break of the uptrend. Price might continue its downward movement to approximately the 116 or even the 115.50 price area. Our fifth and last instrument is the commodity silver. Silver has found support and formed a double bottom at the 1590 area. It has bounced once and then retested this support area. We believe silver will continue its upward movement to approximately the 1602, where it will find some resistance at the Ichimoku cloud. It will then decide whether it will continue and retest for a third time with a break possible to the downside, or to break above the Ichimoku cloud, retest the 1602 area and continue its upward movement. Thank you for watching NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. We wish to see you again soon.